Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called zero-based budgeting, a financial term but relevant to supply chain professionals. For many organizations, the thought of rebuilding the company budget from the ground up can be a nightmare inducing. Wiping the financial slate clean and starting from the scratch would be a last resort. In a worst case scenario, never an option to be considered under normal circumstances. Yet an increasing number of organizations choose to do exactly that, an extreme method of budgeting known as zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting or ZBB is a budgeting process that allocates funding based on program efficiency and necessity rather than budget history. As opposed to traditional budgeting, no item is automatically included in the next budget. In ZBB, budgeters review every program and expenditure at the beginning of each budget cycle and must justify each line item in order to receive funding. Budgeter can apply ZBB to any kind of cost: capital expenditure, operating expenditure, sales, general and administrative cost, marketing cost, variable distribution, or the cost of goods sold. When successful, ZBB produces radical saving and liberates organization from entrenched department and methodologies. When unsuccessful, the cost to the organization can be considerable. The advantages of zero-based budgeting: the result budget will be justified and aligned to strategy, supports cost reduction by avoiding automatic budget increases. However, the disadvantages could be costly, complex and time consuming, as the budget is rebuilt from the scratch annually, whereas simple and faster traditional budgeting requires justification only for incremental changes. Thanks for watching. Bye.